Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to apply deep conditioner, even conditioner that is really way too thick for your extremely fine hair. Stay tuned. In today's video we're going to use the Sheer Moisture, Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil Intensive Hydration Hair Mask. And this is what I just currently am using. I haven't found a staple deep conditioner just yet, and as a result I'm just going to use this until it's done, and I'm going to keep exploring deep conditioners. I personally think I need something light or very light because my hair is so fine, and not only is it fine, I'm also like a silk press person. Currently I'm in the silk press phase of my life, and because of the silk pressing it's going to make my hair lighter because my curls are not as tight as they usually are outside of silk pressing. So when I don't silk press it. Now if you were to like just sit your finger on this, like just trying to pick it up, it won't even pick up unless I like bend my finger and pick it up. That's how thick this is. It's so thick. The very first time I used this, I went all in. I went overboard and I put way too much product, and to me it was putting like a lot of strain on my strands. And if you've been following me here on this YouTube channel, I've had a lot of, what would you say, issues with shedding hair. So anything that I could get to make my hair shed way less, it is so much better for me. And I have an update on that. It's not for this video. I found out why my hair is actually shedding sometimes unnecessarily. So stay tuned for that video. If you're not subscribed to the channel, ensure you subscribe to the channel and put on the notification bell so you could get updates as to when I upload. Now, I was talking while I did what I just did, but I'm just going to do it one more time so you could see how and what I did. So I'm going to use just a small amount. Even that looks too much because I already put some in my hair. You just need like a small amount, and you're going to rub it up all over your hands, and then you just tap it in, literally. Just be gentle with your hair. You don't need to rough it up. No need. Just be patient, be graceful with your hair. Now the beautiful thing about product is that it gets around. You need not worry about getting the product around in your hair because it's there. The only time I use a lot of product is when using a lot of product is the only way the product can work. There's some products like that, like if you pinch it and you use a lot, it's not going to work as well as when you use it generously. But in the case of this deep conditioner or any conditioner that is way too thick for your very fine hair, you just need a small amount. Now right now my hair does look dry, and that's because I towel pat most of the water out of my hair because I'm not in my bathroom right now and I didn't want to wet the floor. I also recommend combing out your hair when it's very wet. Water is your best friend, especially for people with dry hair like mine and very brittle hair. Water loves your hair, and some people say that water doesn't really, like using a lot of water doesn't work with the detangling process, but we're not detangling right now because I already detangled my hair with the conditioner. And tell me in the comments down below if you put in your deep conditioner before you wash, before you apply your conditioner, or after you apply your conditioner. I'm curious to hear. I'm just gonna go in and put back some of the water that I will have taken out because I towel pat my hair dry. Not dry. I towel pat my hair damp. That's what I want to say. So you just want to make it a bit wettish. Not dripping wet, because that would defy the purpose of towel drying it a bit, so it won't get the floor wet. I usually start from the back when detangling my hair. So I just like to put this line at the back, and then I detangle there, that section. So do you see how easy the comb is gliding through my hair? And a lot of YouTubers or influencers don't do this. Like, they would comb their hair out and not show you how much hair they have shed. So if you look at the comb, you see slight amount of shedding when I comb my hair. And there's a reason why my hair is shedding. I won't tell you why it is in this video, but I found a way to make my hair stop shedding. But I kind of did something to it, and that's why it's shedding now slightly. That's that amount. I just took, like, it's like half, because this hair was already there from before. Now the only reason why I'm combing through my hair again, even though I already combed it through with the conditioner in there when I conditioned it prior, is because the instructions for this deep conditioner says put the product in your hair and comb it through. I like to follow the instructions that the products are giving you, because in my estimation, they know how it works. They did their testing, and if they say comb through, and just follow them and get the best results from the product. So I'm just gonna spritz my hair again. And what you could do also is, if like in your roots, like, you don't feel satisfied with the amount of products, if you don't feel satisfied with the amount of product that your roots have, listen, go back in again. Just take a small amount, tiny bit, not much. You could just use all your fingers to rub them in, and just come into the roots and put them into your roots. To me, your hair strands already got a ton of it. And as I said, product does get around easily. You don't need a ton of product in your very fine hair if it's thick and heavy, because you're gonna strain the strands on your very fine hair. So this deep conditioner, just in case you're wondering, does have slick. I wouldn't say a lot, but I would say enough, because you do see the shampoo comb just gliding through my strands. And it does feel good. Like, I'm feeling my hair right now, and it feels amazing. So I'm all done applying product. Usually when I you know what, just for the sake of this video, I'm going to show you how much I usually put. And I'm only doing it like that because I already detangled my hair, right? So I won't have to go in back and comb my hair and put stress on my strands. But I'm gonna show you how much product I usually put on my hair. This is before some sense got knocked into me, and I was like, okay. And in terms of shedding, this is all the hair that came out. And this is me. This would be me. This is me, right? I did not even put this amount of product on my entire head, but I would usually put it on one section. This is the amount that I would usually put. And then I would go in, and I would just keep putting I would just go overboard with product. Now, honestly, you could go overboard with product, but after you have detangled your hair, you really don't want to detangle fine hair with this amount of thick, heavy product in your hair. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.